And now to the exclusive Dud report. This is a Times Now exclusive. India's pride, as defense forces have a reputation that precedes them. But it's unfortunate that they have been given the tedious task of guarding our borders unarmed and saddled with dud, useless, very expensive weapons. This is a Times Now exclusive.
Unbeatable firepower. Merciless birds in the sky that swoop down on the target and bomb the enemy. That's how armed one would think our forces are. But here's the shocker.
The Indian Air Force's armory is full of duds, missiles that don't work and bombs that don't explode.
Specifically, the Harpy missile procured from Israel for a whopping 750 crores lies useless after it developed direction trouble. Next, the Popeye 2 missile that cost 350 crore rupees. An air-to-surface missile that never even passed the initial test since the wings were found faulty. The Sea Eagle, a subsonic anti-ship missile which cost close to 120 crores, is no longer usable as the components are not available. And anti-radiation missiles, some of which were procured from Russia, have malfunction seekers, parts that are used to seek out the target.
Many foreign weapon systems tested in very pristine conditions just don't seem to be effective in India. And yet, there are indigenous weapon systems that have failed as well.
Sitapal, the cluster bomb, is not in use since the key components became unavailable. And finally, the 450 kg high-speed low-drag bomb, whose mismatch in components has put it back in the closet.
With weapon systems or with ammunition, whether it is for the Navy or for the Army and all, if it is beyond a shelf life, if it goes beyond its, planned shelf life, then there could be inaccuracies.
An armory of junk and a nation to defend. Is anyone listening to our brave soldiers?